Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft has been talking at the build about WinUI 3, the basic building blocks of native apps and the core of how Windows executes itself. And of course, one of the points that they were talking about and actually came back on the subject this week is about improving performance on apps and also making the apps and the core apps take less RAM when Windows is running. These are key areas where a lot of people are asking, try to do something about that. And especially when you have a lower end PC, this is where it shows that, there are some problems with the performance of apps. A quick example here, it's not much of a difference on my PC, but some of you with lower end PCs than mine will see a much bigger performance issue with this. Is if you click on this PC in File Explorer, it's almost instantaneous. But if you click the Home tab, you see that there was a delay there, and that delay is actually bigger on lower end PCs. And so all of these things are going to be tweaked with WinUI 3. One of the things that Microsoft also said is that while they tweak that, they won't touch the basic programming and rewriting of the start menu. They'll play with it. They'll give us changes, but they say that until WinUI is really tweaked and used throughout the system, WinUI 3, their start menu will still sometimes feel a little sluggish. But that they're working on that, and they are promising that within the next year, we will have a faster Windows 11, and we will have a Windows 11 that once again takes less RAM, because all of that will work together. So they're definitely trying to, make things better once again. It's going to be interesting to see up to what point. One of the things that one engineer said is that we can't tell you, how faster it's going to be, or, if this app takes 400 megabytes, will it take 250 megabytes after it's, fixed? We don't know. But as they are working on it, they say that there's a definite improvement in performance when they use the WinUI 3 interface, or building blocks, basically, underneath all of the core apps and the apps in Windows. So we'll see what happens with that. That with, of course, the speed boost that we just had. I think all of that together, using less RAM. And have you noticed the focus that Microsoft been actually going on with using less RAM a lot lately? And I'm sure that has a lot to do with the prices of RAM that are just so crazy right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.